Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Unleash the power of your smartphone and type into the digital gold mine. Discover the secrets to mining free Dogecoin and turning your ideal time into cryptocurrency riches. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can claim free Dogecoin every 60 minutes for free from this free Dogecoin mining site with your smartphone and internet connection. Before we start this video, I have some gifts for you. I'll be giving out 7 premium courses to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order for you to qualify for this giveaway. All you have to do is to come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the notification bell and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop a new video in this channel. Click on the like button and click on the comment section and type how to mine free Dogecoin, all tasks done. When you do this, I'll be able to know that yes, you performed this task. Then I'm going to send you the 7 premium courses for free. Now click on the share button and share to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. And for those that completed the task on my other videos, please go and claim your gift. I've sent it right there. Without wasting much time, let's get back to the business of the day. I've placed the link of this website in the description of this video. When you click on that link, it will bring you right here. Alright, this is the interface of the website. All you have to do is to click on join free. Once you click on it, you choose a username, your email address, a password, repeat your password, agree on the terms and conditions, then you click on I'm not a robot. After that, you click on register. So after the registration, you log into your dashboard. This is your dashboard. It's a new account, and I'm still going to show you how you can claim free Bitcoin every 60 minutes without investing a dime on this website. To start claiming, click on these 3 slash right here and click on faucets. Now scroll down a bit and locate Dogecoin. As you can see right here, you can actually claim other coins here. You can see Bitcoin, Terra, Tazos. There are many coins here you can claim. Alright, just scroll down a bit and locate Dogecoin. Then you click on claim. Okay, now you still click on claim now. Alright, you allow it to count down to 0. Once it counts down to 0, you'll be able to click on claim now. So you click on I am human. Alright, now you have to choose the image. They say please click on the center of the gemstone. You click on the center. Alright, I am human. You scroll down and click on claim now. As you can see right here, you've earned 0.012 Dogecoin. So to claim more Dogecoin on this site, you have to come back after 60 minutes to claim more Dogecoin. Now, using 1 stone to get 4 birds, let's click on faucet list. You can earn like 4 more coins on this site in the same time. You can use same time to earn 4 coins. Like you have Bitcoin and other coins here, you can perform the same task here, then you come back after 60 minutes to perform the Dogecoin task. So to perform the Bitcoin Cash, click on this 3 slash right here, then click on view ads, click on soft ads. As you can see right here, there are lots of websites able and willing to pay you some amount of Bitcoin to stay on their site for some seconds. This guy right here is willing to pay us 7.5 Satoshi to stay on the site for 60 seconds. This other guy here will perform this one. That's why it's black in color. This other one right here is willing to pay 4.5 Satoshi to stay on the site for 60 seconds. This one here is 4.4 Satoshi. So let's perform one. You just click on it. Alright, so you just wait for 20 seconds. Then you go back to the site. As you can see right here, you've earned 4.5 Satoshi for performing this task. So you can accumulate more coins here by performing this task. If you scroll up and check, you will see that we have about 41 tasks to perform. So by the time you're able to complete all these tasks here, you will know the amount of Satoshi you've gathered from this very one. Then you can still go back to faucet list and still claim more coins. We have other coins there that you can claim. Then after 60 seconds, you can come back, 60 minutes rather, you can come back and claim the Dogecoin. Note that you can earn more Satoshi by using this site, but because we are using the free plan right now, this is how it is. So to upgrade your account and earn more from this site, follow this simple step. Click on this 3/ and click on your dashboard. Now scroll down, then click on upgrade. Alright, this is the details of the free plan that we are using. Own click is 100%, referral click is 10%, faucet daily is just 4%, then faucet claim is 4%. So the other plan here is junior partner. We have 200% for the own click, we have 15% for ref click, then we have 8 faucet claim. Here is the medium partner and also the senior partner, so you can choose whichever one you want to upgrade to. So if you want to purchase any of the plan here, you go back to your dashboard, then you scroll down and click on deposit. So once you are here, you select the coin you want to deposit, obviously Bitcoin. So you copy the Bitcoin address, then you send the deposit to the address. Once you make the deposit, the amount is going to reflect in your purchase account after one confirmation. Click on the 3/, go to your dashboard, you scroll down, then click on upgrade. You click on upgrade, then you scroll to the account you want to upgrade to, then you click on this plain sign right here. Once you click on it, you select the type, the duration and the amount, then you click on buy. Once you click on the buy, you are going to be upgraded to the account you purchased. Then you start earning more from the site than when you are on the free plan. So this is how you can make more money off this site by upgrading your account and also using the free plan if you wish to. So this is the best time for you to join this site and start earning from it now that the site is active and paying. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the bell icon in order to get notified by YouTube whenever we drop another update on this channel. And for those that have performed the task, don't forget to drop your comment in order to receive the 7 premium courses for free. And those that commented and performed the other task on our other video, you need to go back there and claim your gift. Thank you all for watching this video. Stay safe and God bless.